Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your sales funnel with HubSpot step by step clearly. To optimize your sales funnel with HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales section on the main dashboard. Select funnels from the drop-down menu to access the funnel management feature. Create a new funnel by clicking on the Create Funnel button. Name your funnel to reflect the specific product or service it represents. Define the stages of your funnel based on your sales process. Use the default stages or customize them to match your business needs. Add any necessary properties that will help track your leads effectively. Once your funnel is set up, integrate it with your CRM to ensure seamless data flow. Next, focus on lead capturing by creating targeted landing pages. Design landing pages that align with your buyer personas and funnel stages. Incorporate compelling calls to action to encourage user engagement. After setting up landing pages, implement HubSpot forms to gather lead information. Customize forms to collect essential data without overwhelming potential customers. After capturing leads, set up automated workflows to nurture them. Use the email marketing tool to create tailored content for each stage of your funnel. Monitor engagement metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your emails. If leads are not engaging, revisit the email content and subject lines for improvements. Next, analyze your funnel's performance by reviewing the reporting dashboard. Use data insights to identify bottlenecks and areas of improvement. Consider A/B testing different elements within your funnel to optimize conversions. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics to enhance lead engagement. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant for your audience. Finally, seek feedback from your sales team to refine the funnel based on real-world interactions. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your sales funnel with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.